What's up, Ape Nation? I'm Josh, bringing you the latest XRP scoop right here on Ape Nation News. If you're an XRP holder or just crypto curious, you'll want to hear this. September 25 is turning out to be a pivotal month for XRP. Fresh off its game-changing legal victory against the SEC, XRP is now officially recognized as a regulated digital commodity in the US. And that's opening a floodgate for institutional investors. With that regulatory clarity, we're seeing surging interest from big financial players, and XRP's price action is proving it. Right now, XRP is trading in the $3 range, with technicals flashing bullish. The price just broke out of a descending triangle, giving traders hope for a sustained run. Some analysts are even eyeing that $3.52 level as the next key milestone. But the bigger story is the pending SEC ruling on several spot XRP ETF applications set for October. If spot ETFs get the green light, we could see billions in new institutional inflows, similar to what we saw when Bitcoin ETFs launched earlier in the year. Ripple's on-demand liquidity service is already powering over 300 institutions, slashing cross-border transaction costs by up to 70%. The XRP ledger is expanding too, adding features like tokenization and new stablecoin pairs, making XRP the backbone for digital payments and liquidity. Will XRP break out beyond filed in 2025? The stage is set, and momentum is building. If you want to keep up with every XRP twist and turn, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another XRP update from Ape Nation News. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.